Hello viewers, welcome back to Gruhinis World. Every morning we have the same old question on what to make for breakfast. Most of our traditional breakfast recipes need either soaking or fermentation overnight. And if we don't have any batter ready, then again we end up with having bread or ready-made stuff. Don't worry. Today I am coming up with instant oats dosa which is rich in fiber, protein and is very healthy and nutritious. Also, oats are very light and easy on our stomach at providing all the strength we need to kickstart our day. So, let's get started. Here I am using rolled oats. You can use any kind of oats as per your choice and convenience. Rolled oats, which is also known as old-fashioned oats, have a softer texture and milder flavor which is easily digestible. Friends, if you have a mixer ready, you can grind oats into fine powder. Or else, you can make into smooth batter by soaking oats for an hour and grind in our traditional way. For 1 cup of oats, I am adding half cup suji or upma rava, half teaspoon salt and mix dry ingredients first before adding curd. And half cup curd. Don't worry if the curd is sour. The more the curd is sour, the more fermented taste we get in the batter. Add 1 cup of water little by little. Friends, let me tell you something quickly. Breakfast is the most important meal as it provides all the necessary fuel to start our energetic day. If we can plan healthy and simple breakfast every day, it would definitely help building a good lifestyle. Mix well and soak it for 10 minutes. Do not worry about lumps. When batter gets soaked, the lumps will dissolve easily. While batter is getting soaked for 10 minutes, let's quickly make tasty chutney which goes amazing with this dosa. Add 1 tablespoon or less oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera. As we prefer medium spice, I am adding 5 green chillies. You can adjust green chillies according to your spice level. Let it fry for 1 minute on low flame. Now we can add half cup of peanuts. You can use peanuts with skin as it contains more fiber than peanuts without skin. And also, peanuts taste very good when we make any chutney out of it. Friends, do not fry peanuts for longer. Chutney will taste much better and also would be more healthy if we do not over fry them. Here I am adding tomatoes along with peanuts to get a tangy taste. If tomatoes are sour and ripe, we can enjoy the best chutney out of it. As we all know, peanuts are very rich in protein, fiber and has got very healthy fats which is necessary for our body. And also, peanuts taste very good when we make any chutney out of it. After 5 minutes, tomatoes are soft and well cooked. Now switch off the stove and let it cool for few minutes. Now transfer into mixer grinder. And add handful of curry leaves which gives nice taste to chutney as well as very nutritious. Add salt half teaspoon or as per your taste. Grind into fine chutney. Our quick and tasty chutney is now ready. Now let's go and look at our batter. It is little thickened as suji or upma rava tends to absorb water. Now add half cup of water to get dosa consistency. Mix well until lumps are gone. You can easily mix the lumps as batter is soaked and soft. Add half teaspoon of baking soda as we are preparing instant dosa without any fermentation. Mix well and let it sit for 5 minutes for the batter to get fluffy and aerated. Meanwhile, let's heat tawa. Here I am using iron tawa as a healthier option. You can use whichever is convenient for you. Add little ghee and spread all over the tawa. Once tawa is hot enough, pour 1 to 2 ladles of batter and spread evenly. Add little ghee and cook for 2 minutes on one side until dosa gets golden brown. Flip to other side and cook 2 more minutes. Once dosa is cooked on the both sides, to enjoy a crisper dosa, flip it again and let it cook for 30 seconds. You have seen how simple and how quick we made this recipe. Also, this is very delicious and even kids love to have this for their lunch box. This recipe is also very helpful for our weight loss diet. I'll also show few more simple and healthy breakfast recipes in our upcoming videos that can be made even by beginner. Friends, I always suggest we all should include ghee in our daily diet if possible as per our budget. We all know ghee is very good for our digestive and immune system. If we are friendly with our digestive system, in turn it will be friendly with our weight loss plan. Our instant and delicious oats dosa is now ready. This oats dosa is not only a good breakfast recipe, we can also have this in our lunch box as well as we can plan it for light dinners. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our videos, please do like, share, subscribe to Gruhinis World and also provide your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.